Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment I've been waiting for a long time. People kept asking me about the new Tucson, the best-selling Hyundai SUV. And every time, it was so difficult for me to hide my excitement because this is what we've been working on. Finally, we are bringing something fresh, next level design into the crowded SUV segment. Something new for our beloved customers to be able to choose from what is out there. Since the introduction of our design identity, Sensuous Sportiness, we intend to elevate the emotional response of our designs that touches your heart and create transformative design experiences. Each model is given its own unique and distinctive character with what we call the Hyundai look. The Tucson proudly stands in our lineup as the most dynamic SUV design and conveys the trend-setting spirit we've dared to challenge conventions with an experimental design. We did not want to create just another SUV. We wanted to create something iconic. Well, it all begins with the first impression. Utilizing the best lamp technology available at Hyundai, we seamlessly integrated the lights into the grille. We call it the parametric hidden lights. As you can see here, they're completely invisible when turned off. And then the light appears from nowhere, adding an emotional touch that is simply magical. Can you imagine seeing these lights on the road for the first time? The distinctive face will tell you what car is overtaking you. Strong, robust, and energetic, the car is bigger than ever before. The long hood, level roof, and short overhangs with a stretched wheelbase that emphasize its coupe-like avant-garde character. What an amazing proportion. Chiseled surfaces like crystal core and sharp edges creates a striking contrast between sleek silhouette and masculine wedge. Chunky angular surface seamlessly merge into the wheel arches like the 70s Bertone style, while the large 90-inch wheels complete the powerful and dynamic posture. Moving to the rear, the full-width tail lamp continues the parametric dim with unique light details hidden in plain sight. Just look at that. The transparent glass-type emblem and hidden wiper create a super clean surface that allows you to appreciate the purity of the design concept. Now, let's get inside. Enter space, where space, technology, and information organically intersect. A layered, naturally flowing layout that also represents the seamless user experience we built into the interior. To create an airy environment, we dropped the instrument display downward for a completely flat upper surface. The layer which naturally cools the interior, that passes through IP, connecting to the console, front door, and even rear door. The gauge cluster housing has been removed to improve the forward openness. The open type cluster and ABN are both 10.25 inches, making this space more premium than ever. Well, we never really look at the AC vents, ever. Then the same is true in a car, right? we hit the bends, they're completely out of sight, almost like in an airplane cabin. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And of course, ambient mood lights and the shift-by-wire further enhances Tucson's premium spatial experience. Finally, what completes design is color. You can choose your color combination to reflect your personal taste. We've got Amazon gray, white cream, crimson red, shimmering silver, deep sea, Titan gray, and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, in designing the 4th generation Tucson, we deliberately chose the untraveled path. The Tucson becomes the first mover, redefining the design standards in this overcrowded segment. The first mover. The Tucson itself perfectly reflects the spirit of Hyundai design. And now, let's get inside the all-new Tucson and check out the powertrain and performance.
The all-new Tucson will have a choice of 12 different engine options in total, including 6 gasoline, 4 diesel, 1 hybrid, and 1 plug-in hybrid system. The 3rd generation powertrain, Hyundai SmartStream, will be applied to all 12 powertrains.
What powertrain does this vehicle have?
The vehicle you are driving is the hybrid model. Of all of Tucson's new powertrain combinations, I would like to call special attention to its all-new hybrid system equipped with Hyundai SmartStream 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI engine.
Typically, hybrid models have better fuel efficiency than internal combustion engines, but often lack in performance, don't they?
Generally speaking, yes. However, the world's first continuously variable valve duration technology now optimizes both engine performance and fuel efficiency while also being eco-friendly. The valve control technology, first introduced on 2020 Hyundai Sonata, regulates the duration of valve opening and closing according to driving conditions. This leads to a boost in performance, improvement in fuel efficiency, and reduction of emissions. The all-new Tucson is equipped with a hybrid system with turbocharger that forces extra compressed air into combustion chamber to increase efficiency and power output. The vehicle can accelerate rapidly with the help of its turbocharger when merging into traffic, ensuring a safe distance from vehicles behind you.
I will call it dynamic hybrid. Well, how about fuel efficiency?
For North America, it is possible to drive from the city of Tucson to Los Angeles on about a single tank with the hybrid model.
That is incredible. Are there any notable features in terms of driving performance other than the powertrain technology?
Not only is the all-new Tucson a powerful hybrid vehicle, but it also handles brilliantly. That's because we applied our first-in-class e-handling technology to keep the car under precise control, especially when you're turning a corner. Let me demonstrate how it works. At turn-in, the e-handling technology helps improve steering response. At corner exit, it helps improve the car's directional stability, maintaining control and assisting the driver when facing adverse driving conditions. Our e-handling technology allows smooth, agile, and stable cornering, keeping the car and you on track.
Wow, this is truly mind-blowing technology.
Exactly. Okay, so moving on to our next key feature, let me tell you about our all-wheel drive system, H-Track.
What is H-Track?
Hyundai H-Track is an all-wheel drive system that provides sure footing on various road surfaces and conditions. While previous H-Track was linked to eco, comfort, smart, sport driving modes, the latest H-Track applied to the all-new Tucson offers additional multi-terrain modes such as mud, sand, and snow. With the mud and sand modes, you can drive safely in all sorts of driving conditions. Even in tough conditions such as snowy roads, you can escape from rough terrain thanks to the snow mode.
This has been a quality time test driving the all-new Tucson, allowing me to learn all about the excellent technologies that have been applied to it. Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
Hey, Jimin.
Hey, I accidentally left the key at the office. Would you mind sending me the Hyundai digital key?
Sure, I just sent it.
The all-new Tucson monitors the air quality in the vehicle and also purifies the air. It indicates real-time air pollution levels on the dual automatic temperature control display window using the fine dust detection sensor. The all-new Tucson is the first model to feature technology that reduces moisture from the evaporator and keeps the air conditioning system clean and free of odor. It helps to maintain a pleasant environment inside a vehicle. With the all-new Tucson, you can connect two phones simultaneously. The driver and passenger can alternate between their playlists without disconnecting and reconnecting their respective phones. And the Bose premium sound system lets you experience high-quality sound. The all-new Tucson has a new feature called Car to Home. You can control your smart home appliances from inside your car. For example, you can turn on the air conditioner at home before your arrival on a very hot and humid summer day. Simple idea with big impact. The all-new Tucson comes with the latest Hyundai Smart Sense. These active safety technologies were designed and developed to keep drivers and passengers safe in every direction at any moment while driving or even parking. Even if you fail to notice a car approaching from behind when changing lanes, the blind spot collision avoidance assist helps prevent collisions with obstacles in the blind spot. You are also able to see cars in the blind spot with a blind spot view monitor.
So, how'd you like the world premiere for the innovative and exciting all-new Tucson? We feel that the all-new Tucson is the right vehicle for our times because it is so adaptable to highly diverse lifestyles. Some customers want a versatile family hauler, while others want a weekend adventure vehicle that doesn't sacrifice performance or capability for fuel efficiency. Still, others just want to be seen in the most stylish SUV available. To address such diversity, Hyundai is launching the Tucson in different types for different regions and with various eco-friendly vehicle options. Let's look at Tucson's two body types. Although Tucson is a global model, customer needs vary from region to region. We wanted to meet our customers' diverse expectations while maintaining Tucson's distinctive identity. The long wheelbase models will be offered in regions where customers want more space. Short wheelbase models will be for regions that favor agility and performance. As you see on the screen, each model will be tailored to its specific region. Another way we address different customer expectations around the world is by offering various eco-friendly vehicle options for the Tucson. In addition to hybrid and mild hybrid models, we'll also launch a plug-in hybrid. At Hyundai, we live by the philosophy of connecting people with quality time. The all-new Tucson embodies this philosophy through its design, packaging, and technology. We believe it will be evident not only to our customers, but also to anyone who sees this innovative and exciting vehicle. The all-new Tucson will first go on sale in Korea in September, followed by other regions around the world. There's one more thing I want to share with you before we end. We've been introducing N9 variants to different Hyundai models, providing an attractive entry point to our high-performing N brand. Last year, we successfully introduced the Tucson N9 in the European market. For the all-new Tucson, we plan to expand its N9 availability globally and soon. Earlier today, I talked about how excited I am to reveal the all-new Tucson, and I hope you now share my excitement for the future. In these fast-evolving times, Hyundai Motor Company will continue to lead with innovative products,